Come on, guys. We can do this. We can actually not do this. But we can do this. So we can do this. Casper, we can do this. Come on, we can do this. Okay, we take them with the negative. Casper, go B. We have B. Okay. The guys can't give callouts. Okay, one in spawn. I take him with my negative. Okay, that was a little bit loud. Okay, I'm going to middle. Middle. Okay, it is 1v3. Okay, one. Suck my dick. Oh, next one. Oh, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. No, 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 no. Okay, where do we think he's going? CT? Okay, CT. Okay, now we just gotta wait. I'm going to take him there. No. Oh wait. Okay, I suck. Oh! Look at my shot, guys. I'm the best. I am your father. I'm maybe your father. Okay, now the case opening. We're gonna do 3 cases. 1, Operation Phoenix case, and 2, Operation Wildfire cases. We will start with the Phoenix case. Please, give us something good in this case. Please. Okay, Max 7 Heaven Guard. That's not good. That's not good. Good. Okay, next case. Now we're gonna open 2 wildfire cases. Come on, please give us that Bowie knife. The good boy. Okay, that is not a Bowie knife. Okay, last case of this small case opening. Please. Give us something good. Okay, that is not decent. Fuck off. Okay, now a little bit update on this giveaway here. We have got over 20 subs, so one of the lucky guys that have subbed can get this. I will pick the winner in 10 days, so just good luck.